Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to wrap my exhaust headers with this new exhaust wrap I got, and I'm going to also install this new shorter muffler that I got. And it will be exciting to actually get the bike to run with those new jets I put in the last video with this new exhaust setup. It should, and hopefully it will run well once I do all that, so stay tuned. Cheers. So I'm wrapping the headers with this fiberglass exhaust wrap. The reason I put it in the hot water is for a couple reasons. So you don't have fiberglass kind of floating around, and so you it just makes it more pliable and easier to actually wrap. All right, so let's wrap this bad boy.
Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Why won't this go in?
That's what she said.
Alright, I got it installed. Let's see how she sounds. Alright, that's gonna do it, you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much again for watching, you guys, and stay tuned for the next video. Cheers.